Just tell me that first. There's no reason for coming to the track.
Please.
Okay? And this guy is even getting hurt by the train. How could all this happen here?
Please, I have just, sorry to interrupt you. I'll tell you what. There was a fight. Tell me, don't hide. There was a fight.
Tell me honestly.
There was a fight. There was a fight, right? I have came to know. You didn't tell me this till now when I was asking you about the fight.
Fight or the Oli?
Did you speak about the fight? Why are you hiding things?
I had no fight.
Then you had to speak about the fight. Why did you?
Fight only, na?
Someone like they were not fighting. They were like.
इन्होंने फाइटिंग किया है वहाँ पे वहाँ चल रहा है सही बताने का झूठ नहीं बोलने का
देख तू झूठ बोलेगा तो ऊपर ऐसा नहीं बोलते
अंदर तक लेके जाएगा
This is level 1.
तेरे पूरी फैमिली को लेके
You know, this is level 1.
और करेगा मैंने
You
पूरा
want to go to level 10? You want to go that? You want to do that? All that?
ढाला वाला आदमी
You want to do that? हाँ?
झूठ बताने का नहीं को आपको पता
पूरा
है
टकला करके ना तेरे को उल्टा लटका के इतना हैंडशॉट मारेगा ना तेरे को तो मालूम जिंदगी में इतना मारने का
और कोई
whatever it is committed we will help you commit everything कि हाँ this is what happened
and
एक हेल्प करेंगे हम लोग
tell me the group which was near the hospital when I and my wife came, okay? Where did that like group?
how many
That was earlier, right? 20 boys were there, 25 boys were there. It was unknown faces because I know my cousin's friends from Bandra. Even I never knew you, okay? It was something shocking for me that how many people and what has happened so big.
for what 25 people over there for what
Came for help and to see the view. See what happened.
इन लोगों का ग्रुप है भाई
Group, how
Group मिलकर मारा है
full group? How many boys? You, Shaleen, her name is right? Shaleen, the other girl?
who is the bench
No. Juno, Akshay were at the hospital. You all 5 people were at the hospital. Okay? Sure, you all 5 people were at the hospital.
चौकी
After
पे
that we sent
Say
Shaleen.
that guy,
We sent Shaleen home, right? After that Shaleen came.
No. When you all were there, inside, okay? When I reached, the entire mob was outside. Okay? No one was talking anything. I'm asking where's Steven. I had to literally, the doctor said who are you? Then I said cousin. Then after us, after 10-15 this auntie turned up. Okay? We were shocked to see Steven that way. No one said anything. It was just doctor was also lying. Crucial hai, critical hai. Why did the doctor even lie that he has got an injury? It was his responsibility to tell us that he has gotten injuries on his leg, which he had covered it up. Whatever it is. And why was that guy? Who was that guy on the charisma? White color ka. Who was that guy? White color, the builder chap. He was running more, talking to our doctors and all. Who was he?
everybody is even which you know what we shouldn't be doing that. We shouldn't be doing that. We should send everybody out and take out these properties. You tell them we all there. Tell the truth. Whatever happened, tell us. What actually happened, tell us.
कौन था बता देना हम लोग
क्या था, कौन था? See, it's a matter of life.
इसका नाम कोई ले रहा है? पता है ना? What is happened in the beginning?
तेरा नाम नहीं लेगा बता कौन है हम लोग